Oh my, this kind of weather makes my wheels wobble.
Yeah, it makes travelling to the summit more difficult than before.
But once we get our boilers bubbling, we'll be warm and cozy.
Alright everyone, keep up the good work, and come back home early. A storm might arrive any minute now.
The manager was right. The weather was bad once again, and the engines were struggling through the storm. Ernest was waiting at Skarloey Road Station for Dooney to pass him, when...
Stop! The pipes are broken!
Whoa! Oh, help! Help!
Dooney, are you alright?
Oh dear, this is one of the worst seasons that we've ever had. Dooney, I will be sending you to the works as well. You need some major repairs.
But, sir, how can the two of us run the whole railway?
You're right. 2 engines running a railway is indeed impossible. I think I have to buy more engines to run the railway.